Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you the concept of atoms and molecules. Now when the term atom comes, then it means that it is a element that contain one atom or that one hydrogen element is there. So if I say hydrogen, all of you know that its symbol is H. So if I write only H, this represents one atom of hydrogen. Now let us say it is represented by this one small ball. This represents one hydrogen atom. Now if I write here 2H, what does it mean? It means that there are two hydrogen atoms are there. There is no connection between these atoms. So it represents two atoms. Similarly, if I write oxygen, O, if I write only O, this represents one atom of oxygen. And if I write 4O, this represents four atoms of oxygen. So 4 atoms of oxygen means that there are, if this is representing one oxygen atom, so 4 atoms are there, 4 different atoms. There is no relation between these. Now next come to the term molecule. The molecule is a group of 2 or more atoms which are combined with each other. Now molecule is classified into two types. One is molecule of element and second is molecule of compound. Now molecule of element means it is made up of same kind of atoms, and molecule of compound is made up of different kind of atoms. Now let us take the example. Now if I write here H, then this is one atom of hydrogen. But if I write here H2, now what does this H2 means? H2 means that the two hydrogen atoms, they are bonded with each other. So this is the attraction that can be shown through this line. This is a one molecule of hydrogen in which two atoms are joined with each other. Now if I say 2H, 2H means these are the two separate hydrogen atoms. But if I write H2, this is the H2 in which two atoms of hydrogen, they are joined together. So this represents one molecule of hydrogen, but this will represent two atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, if I write here P4, now P4 means that the 4 phosphorus atoms, they are joined with each other. Now 4 phosphorus atoms, so like this. You need not to go into the detail of the shape that how we will attach this, but only thing is that if it is a molecule, if it is number is written in front that as a subscript, then these atoms, they are combined with each other. So this will represent the one P4 molecule in which 4 phosphorus atoms are joined. But if I write here 4P, this P4 represent one molecule of phosphorus, but this 4P will represent 4 atoms of phosphorus. So here in this case, these 4 atoms, they will get separate from each other. So these 4 phosphorus atoms separate, but if P4, then they will be joined through the bond there. Right? Similarly, if it is written as 2H2. Now what does 2H2 means? That the two hydrogen molecules, this is one hydrogen molecule, then the another hydrogen molecule will be there. So these two hydrogen molecules, this is one molecule, hydrogen atoms are attached. This is the another molecule in which hydrogen atoms are attached there. Now compound, if we take, let us take the simplest example, that is of H2O. Now in this, the two hydrogen atoms, they are joined to each other with the oxygen molecule. So here suppose this is 2 are hydrogen and this one is oxygen. So here this one you can see, this is 2 hydrogen atoms joined to oxygen. So this represents the one molecule. And if I write this one, if I show you this structure, now both are molecules, but in this atoms are of same type, in this atoms are of different type. So this is molecule of compound and this is molecule of element. And if I simply write, show this one, if this is hydrogen atom, this is oxygen, and if this one, this represent one atom of oxygen, this represent one atom of hydrogen there, and this represent one molecule of hydrogen. And similarly, if we have to show the example of carbon dioxide or that, so in that you can show so this, if we show this one, so this is hydrogen molecule, this is oxygen molecule, this is H2O. So these are group of atoms which are joined with each other. I hope the topic is clear. You can differentiate what is atom and what is molecule. Then secondly, in a molecule, how many number of atoms are present, that is called its atomicity. Like in this one molecule, 2 atoms are present. So we'll call it that this atomicity is 2. It is a diatomic molecule. Similarly, if 4, like in phosphorus I had shown you 4 atoms are there, so it will be tetraatomic molecule there. So number of atoms present in a molecule, that is called its atomicity. So in this we won't consider this number, like if it is written 2H2, molecule is this H2. 2H2 represent 2 molecules. Similarly, if I write here 2H2O, this will represent 2 molecules of H2O. Thank you.